Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the Minu Meme Coin. It's easy to get this token. Open up your coinmarketcap.com. Once on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down and copy the contract address for the token. Once it's copied, minimize and open up a wallet of your choice, be it the MetaMask or the Trust wallet. Once you've opened any of these wallets, make sure you have the BNB on the wallet. Make sure you have some BNB on the wallet. If you do not, click on the buy option to purchase some BNB using your Google Pay or bank transfer. So guys, once you've bought yourself some BNB tokens, once you've got some tokens on your wallet, simply head over to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply locate the PancakeSwap and select PancakeSwap. And once you've logged on to pancakeswap.finance, the icon at the top right, use it to connect your wallet. And once your wallet is connected, you'd be shown the disconnect option. And once you've connected your wallet to the platform, where we have the Beam token, click on this Beam token and paste the contract address for the Minu. Click on Minu, click on Import, click on Understand, and click on Import once more. Now, once you've successfully imported the Minu token, enter an amount of BNB you wish for the transaction. So once you've entered an amount, simply set your slippage tolerance from 1% to 5%. And once you've entered this amount, simply click on swap. So once you selected swap, click on confirm swap and simply proceed to approve the transaction. All right, guys. And all you need to do is simply add the Minu token to your wallet. And once you've added the Minu token to your wallet, after a simple reload, you'd find the token on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy the Minu Meme Coin, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.